Hey everyone, the future is here. Demand AI is something we envisioned back in 2014 when we started. We wanted to make it easy to be a salesperson, to replace all the tedious tasks and make a difference. See, if you go to Sales Navigator today, like any other salesperson, you find a perfect list like the one we have right here. And you say, I would like to reach out to them. Well, a couple of things people do a mistake if they have mixed markets are, they don't check the profile language. So if somebody's in Spanish or German, they're not comfortable answering to you when you write them in English. So that's something we're gonna change. Secondly, nobody wanna get a standard connection request that is all about you and not them. You want to do personalization, period. I'm gonna show you how you do that in 1 second, right here, right now. I will copy the URL from LinkedIn. I will take it straight to the platform, put it in, add the step manual prospect, then connection request. I will tell the system, do I want a connection request in English, in German, in Spanish, in French, or Portuguese? And my follow-up message, what language does that gonna get into? So right now, AI message German, so we're just gonna change that, and then we hit apply. So I am just gonna go and show you right here, right now. So we hit apply, perfect. So first of all, I load in a couple of examples here because it's a short video. This is AI written to John Rizzo. It's all in English. I did not write anything myself. If I hit next, it will take the next person, take the data, the about us, latest social post, and go something like this. Impressed by your long experience in sales, product management, and digital problem solving. Your background in Amazon working with SaaS platforms and expertise in AI technologies caught my attention. Excited to connect and discuss insight and customer experience and drive efficiency. This is 10x of what you're posting today. There are many other examples. When this is the latest post, it gets even better. Then there's a perfectly crafted follow-up. All I have to do is to hit send to prospect, load the next one, send to prospect, load the next one, send to prospect. It takes me 5 minutes, 40 people a day, 100% one-to-one personalization. Now after in German, well, sehr geehrter Erikon, ich bewundere die Firma Advisor Group und ihre Leadership. See, you might get lost, so do I. But Germans, they don't feel comfortable about English. So if you don't speak German to them, forget it, selling to them. They will not answer you. But this way, as an English speaker, right now, right here, they're getting a connection request and a follow-up message written by AI all about them, even mentioning the latest post. This is how insanely good it is. What about languages like Spanish? Same thing. French, same thing. Portuguese, same thing. Danish, Norwegian, Dutch, coming next, Swedish. We're rolling out to multiple languages. So right now, right here, in just 5 minutes, you can set up your campaign and you can reach 40 people every single day, 100% personalized. So what are you waiting for? Start selling faster, but be relevant and build meaningful, relevant connections on LinkedIn. Don't spam people. Make a difference. This is how easy it is. Think about it for a second. Random request on LinkedIn, 15% accept. Personalized one-to-one like this, about 75 to 80% are connecting with you. Now they can see your post on LinkedIn, that all your marketing collateral they're gonna see. They're also gonna see your follow-up messages. It's a game changer for your business. So if you're not in the game yet, get in the game because others will and you're gonna live behind. Thank you for watching.